Hey everyone, if you want to see your FPS while gaming using NVIDIA, it's actually super easy to set up through the NVIDIA app. So first, you're gonna have to open the GeForce Experience and make sure it's updated. Next, you're then gonna have to click on Settings and go to the in-game overlay section. From there, you're then gonna have to turn it on if it's not already enabled. Then next, simply open the overlay by pressing Alt plus Z at the same time, then go to Settings, then go to HUD Layout, then Performance. From there, you then have to choose where you want the FPS counter to appear on your screen. So once that's set, simply launch your game and you see your FPS displayed in real time. So it's a simple way to monitor your performance while gaming without needing extra software. And that's it. So that's how to see your FPS while gaming. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.